Haigh chara, agus fáilte chuig an bhí an seo le Let's Learn Irish. My name is Alana, and today we're going to be learning how to greet someone in Irish. Dia chut. Dia is muire duit. An scéal. These are just some of the ways that you can greet someone in Irish. So the most traditional way to greet somebody would be to say Dia chut. Dia chut. So this directly translates to may God be with you. Dia meaning God and chut meaning with you. So the most appropriate response to this would be Dia is muire duit. Dia is muire duit. May God and Mary be with you. Dia meaning God, agus muire meaning Mary. Now occasionally you may want to talk to more than one person. So in this case scenario, we're going to have to change the pronoun just a little bit. So instead of saying Dia chut, you're going to say Dia daoibh. Dia daoibh. May God be with you, more than one person. And then the most appropriate answer to this would be Dia is muire duit. Dia is muire duit. May God and Mary be with you, more than one person. So another way of greeting somebody would be to say an scéal. An scéal, literally meaning any story, or in other words, what's up. An scéal. An meaning any and scéal meaning story. An scéal a chara, meaning any story, friend. Or another example, an scéal a store, any story dear. Agus sin é a chairde. For more Irish, please be sure to log on to letslearnirish.com. Gur maith agat, slán.